So this is going to be our last video for the basics, and then we'll do some more for intermediate and expert videos once these 6 are done and up on YouTube. That being said, we've come to the end of writing our document. We have our information. Of course, I remove the sources like a moron. Let's just go back and add them in there. As you can see, I just keep changing everything. It's like, oh, look what he's doing. We're going back to Lesson 5. Oh yeah, Lesson 5. Awesome. No, actually, guys, we're on Lesson 6. Lesson 6. Exporting files. Cool. And remember, you can always change your highlight there. Awesome. So, we've got our paper. We're ready to export it out and submit it to our teacher. Now, some of your teachers, if you're in an online social studies class, obviously you need to export and upload your files into your course. Sometimes your teachers might want you to email files, so you can send it to them as an attachment. The cool thing about Google Docs is you can really export your document to any number of file formats that your teachers can read on their computer, which is cool. How do you do it? File, download as, Microsoft Word for Word. ODT is for people with OpenOffice. RTF is rich text format. It can be read on just about anything. PDF, remember, if you open a PDF, it's good to have Adobe Acrobat on your computer. That's a free download. Plain text, if you want to open a plain text file, by all means, that's pretty simple file format. And then, of course, your web page there, HTML zipped. If I'm your teacher, I'm telling you now, submit all your work to your teacher in either DocX, ODT, or PDF. PDFs load faster than ODT and DocX. And remember, your teacher should have OpenOffice on their computer if you are submitting them an OpenOffice file. The standard, though, here, the benchmark that you should be using, is probably either a DocX file or a PDF. Regardless of your computer, your composition software, whatever you use as a teacher, you would have access to opening a PDF. There might be limitations for a teacher to opening a DocX or an ODT file, and as teachers, we don't want to, usually discourage you guys from submitting work in random file formats, but yet again, we have to have the software to open what you're submitting. With that being said, if you're going to submit something to your teachers, DocX or PDF are preferred. DocX or PDF. Keep that in mind. That's it. Click on PDF. Untitled Document PDF. Why does it say Untitled Document? Because up here in the corner of the screen it says Untitled Document. If I click on it after I put a heading inside the paper, it will change it to what it should be called. File, download as, PDF. Scroll back up. Basics, Lesson 6, exporting files. Always make sure when you're exporting documents that you have them labeled in the upper left-hand corner. Make sure you have your name and the assignment number. Your teacher will appreciate you for it. And export it as such. That way you know if you ever have to look for it on your computer, you're good to go. So that's it.